Hello everyone, and welcome back to TechBlock. We're back with a gaming chair unboxing. Haven't done one of these in a little while, but this is a new gaming chair from AutoFull. Massive shout out to AutoFull for actually sending this out to me. Much appreciated. This is not going to be going in my setup, but instead it will be going in the setup that you can't even see in camera. It's that one there with the terrible cable management. It's actually very bad. We need to make another video where we kind of sort out that gaming setup, because if you thought my cable management was bad on this setup, it's not bad anymore because we fixed it. But look at that. This is pretty damn bad, dude. So we got to fix that at some point. But the reason we actually have this chair here today and why we know we're going to be building it is because this setup here has a goddamn stool as a chair, which is not that good. Like when you're in this room and when there are two people in this room, and you're both, one's working there, I'm working there. Ideally, you want to be sitting in like, something like this, like a nice, normal chair instead of a goddamn stool with no back support and you just fall back. So, AutoFull have saved the day and sent us not one chair, but two. What exactly I'm meant to do with a second chair, I don't really know. Haven't quite decided what the hell am I going to be using, a third chair in total for, because I have two setups, but we're going to have 3 chairs in total. What do I do? Do I make a third setup? So without further ado, link in the description to the AutoFull chair that we're going to be building today. Let's start building it. I need my knife, the old karambit. Let's get it unboxed, check it out. I believe it's in black and red trim, but I could be wrong. Maybe it's like in freaking hot pink, we'll find out. It appears we have done it. Oh. Ah. It's like unboxing a freaking gaming PC or something, like. Okay, we got this box right here. They give you gloves! They give you gloves! What the hell? Sure, let's put these on. Why? Why they gave me gloves, I do not know. Hey, look, we got gloves now. Sick. AutoFull. They give you a booklet and everything, man. Notice of installation. Okay, so I believe it is a black and red one. I mean, I've built chairs before, I'm sure we'll be fine. Ooh, these are soft. What in the hell? This is actually really soft. So far, so good. I'm actually quite impressed. We've got the whole gas piston mechanism thingy, the side pieces, okay. We have, of course, all of the wheels. These armrests, though, are so soft. I really like that. Oh, my bad. There we go, we got this entire thingy here. And then finally we got the 2 Allen keys and a few screws. Putting together one of these gaming chairs generally is pretty easy. There's only a few screws that you have to screw in. It's like a pretty simple and quick process, to be honest. So we got this, the bottom piece. Break the tape. How comfy is this thing? Seems pretty soft. I don't even think this is black and red. I think this might just be fully blacked out. If that's the case, I'm gonna be so happy actually, because that's like a neutral color scheme, There we go. We got the lumbar support. Okay, we got the headrest. AutoFull. All right. Oh, it is. Oh man, it's all stealthy and everything. I love this. I don't know why I thought they were gonna send me a black and red one. Maybe they send me a blacked out one and then a black and red one. We'll see. All right, now finally, we have this. All right, we've unboxed literally everything. We got all the legs there, all the tools, all the parts we need, all on the floor here. We're ready to go. We got my gloves on. They gave us gloves, don't know why. Oh Jesus, right. That's it. Now with every single chair I've built, every time I've sat in it, I've almost nearly fallen out the chair, because like in the GT Omega one, like I leaned back, and the whole chair nearly flipped. Well, I just kind of freaked out. I doubted the chair was actually going to flip. I just kind of leaned back, got freaked out by the tilt lock. With this one, does this have tilt lock? Okay, it does. Oh man, it hasn't broken yet. It hasn't broken yet. Give it a minute. Ooh. So this chair will be in this setup, all blacked out and stuff. It's cool. In terms of comfort, the cushion on the bottom here is like soft as hell. Hopefully it's got pretty good longevity as well. One problem I found with the chair already are the armrests. I've kind of experienced quite a few gaming chairs in my time. All of them have been from GT Omega. The armrests are very flimsy, to say the least. Like I'm putting literally like no pressure on these at all, and it's kind of like twisting around. However, one good thing about the armrest is that they're very soft as well, super cushiony, and they've kind of got like a hollowed out layer inside, so your arms actually rest in them quite snugly. Like, I like it. They are of course adjustable armrests. I like how I'm wearing all black as well. Like you literally can't see anything, but you can, move it up, down, you can do this whole twisty thingy, and then I think that's it for customization. Let's put the lumbar support on and the headrest, see how they feel. Oh, well, for lumbar support, there's no straps. You just kind of put it there. At least they give your lumbar support a cushion. Let's put the headrest on. One problem with these gloves is that everything is very slippery. Boom. The headrest is on. The lumbar support is kind of also on, but not really. Oh man. Ooh, you know what? I think I could probably do without the lumbar support for now. Yeah. The headrest, it's there. Like, it's pretty soft. Well, that's one chair built. Gotta build another one.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
I'm not sure either. I don't know what the hell it's talking about. Will it be the same color scheme chair, or will it be something entirely different? I don't know, let's find out. But before we find out, I have to relocate a few things for a second, so I can make a bit more space in this room, because we're running out of space. Here we go again, I guess. I'm gonna take these gloves off. I wanna see if they give me another pair. Do all AutoFull chairs come with gloves? I don't know, man, but I wanna know. Here we go again. Oh, this time we unboxed it the other way. Okay, we shall begin with these, the legs, lovely. Oh, this one isn't black and red. I knew it. I knew that one of them was gonna be in black and red. Okay, once again, user manual, all the good stuff. Oh my God, they do give you gloves again. You buy an AutoFull chair, you get a pair of gloves. Oh my God, we got another chair built. Damn, dude. Oh, dude, the tilt lock on this is crazy though. That's it. All right, we're all done. Both of the chairs are built. Both of them are right here. We have a black and red AutoFull chair, looking lovely. And then we have like a black and like a dark gray, the color scheme on the other one right there. They look pretty damn good. So these are gonna be going into that setup, at least, this one is going in that setup. What we're doing with this chair, I don't really know, because for my main setup, I'm still keeping my GT Omega, but for these, that one's definitely going in the other setup. This, I don't know, I have to build a third setup or something, man. Anyway, I think that's where I'm going to be ending today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. A massive shout out to AutoFull for sending out two of their wonderful chairs for me to check out and to have in my gaming setups. Link in the description, of course, to both of these chairs and everything else featured in today's video, like the whole setup and stuff. I'll try to leave as many things as I can down below in the description for you. And in case you missed my previous video, because I'm sure I'm going to get at least one person saying, dude, what the hell is that RGB LED strip behind your desk, dude? That looks amazing. Check out my previous video. Pressing the link right now on screen. Check it out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.